Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your account is signed in and syncing. This prevents missing calendars. Next, open Outlook desktop or web and click the calendar icon in the lower left. Once there, make sure you've selected the correct mailbox or calendar group because Outlook can show multiple accounts. If you don't see a calendar, expand the navigation pane. This first set of actions gets you into the right calendar context and prepares Outlook to show shared or additional calendars. Now add the calendar you want visible. Use Add Calendar and pick from Address Book or Shared Calendar. Typing a name searches your organization. Once added, check the box beside that calendar under My Calendars or Shared Calendars so it appears. If you want both visible together, choose Overlay View to combine or Side-by-Side for comparison. Overlay reduces clutter while Side-by-Side shows details. Make sure permissions allow viewing. If you see limited details, request at least reviewer access. Finish by tuning visibility. Pick a distinct color, set overlay if desired, and make the calendar your default for new events only if needed. If a calendar still won't appear, verify sharing permissions or whether it's published publicly. Lack of permission is the most common blocker. Once done, sync should show entries. If not, restart Outlook, clear local cache, or remove and re-add the calendar, and then recheck. If problems persist, request owner reshare or contact IT for tenant-level issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.